Hi everybody, good morning. This one room was out yesterday. I thought TryHackMe this week are not doing rooms. I'm not sure because Tuesday, Wednesday, until yesterday night. It can Pyrat test your image skills. It tell you that Pyrat receive a curious response from the server. Basically, it gives you the hint here. It's which lead to potential code execution for Python. Then with the crafted payload, so you think is a shell, then pass again shell to the machine, then you uncover well-known folder, and then valuable inside the application older version. This room is two ways to solve it. Easy way is the quicker way is just because Pyrat, if you Google it, you'll find it. Is the room creator basically here because here it give you already how it work and all of that, and then it give you the name endpoint shell. You have also the code there. So basically where is that endpoint socket data? There's a password there. This is handle admin endpoint, and then there is also the shell endpoint. Where is it? I forgot about it. Any case, so if you Google it, you already find your answers here, because when you go now, if we start a room and then you have two ports, port 8000 and port 22 for the Rust scan, and then when you come, he said you find this endpoint and he tell you basically try a more basic connection. You can also view page source if you think there's nothing there. Anything that is maybe hidden somewhere in the network, you can refresh the page. It's only calling get request to that point. Response is that's what we know. Request header. And then here you get some information. Simple. Can I make this one bigger? Response header. You have the name of the server is a simple HTTP 06 Python 3.11.12. So you can get an answer. If this was old version, you maybe have the directory transversal. But it tell you here is a Python script. There's Python running here, and there's a server, simple HTTP server, which explained this. This is a HTTP server. And then the question said simpler way. Simpler way is either it's NC or is a either telnet. Telnet is more. I don't think it will work. I didn't try it. Let's try it. 10.10. What's my IP? 176.98. 176.98. And you have the 8000. I don't think Telnet. Okay, you say hi name is not defined. Print, you see when you said command like that, related to Linux and ID, like ID and print, like it does a space. If it's ID root, for example, it said invalid syntax. So can it, let's see the print hi. It say hi, so it runs on Python, but so for example, if you say invalid syntax, if it's any random things, it tell you is not defined. So we have not defined, we have invalid syntax, and you have empty response. So if you do command like that, doesn't through the error, just say so the telnet can work. Let's try the NC. They should work also. If you say ID, it's an empty. Hi, nothing. Hi, no, print alone. print to the space. If you say, oh no, let's do an error, let's not close it. You see it show error, so it's a string, so it runs some Python. At least we know it's running Python. So if I say hi and lock it now, so it print. Of course, if you go with the route of Googling, you know what you're talking about, these Pyrat things. You know the endpoint, it tell you shell, admin and thing. So if I say here shell, it gives me straight to, I'm straight to the shell. So same as here. If you say shell, it goes. If I exit, let's go back to telnet. If I say admin, it asks for password. I don't have the password. Control C or exit. Why Control C is not working now? That's a new. Control. Let's put it. Control X. Really doesn't want to die. Okay, let's go back with the NC. Exit NC. Let's go back to the NC. So we know that, but we know it has a shell. We can run Python, so we can play with zoom in. So if I do NC minus lvmp1234 and go to my reverse shell generator 1234, we know it's Python, so we can say 137.99. So if I go to Python script, let's get the shortest one. I don't think we can put the whole thing. Let's try it. Did I got the shell? Yeah, no, something wrong with me. I'm supposed to put it here. Invalid syntax line 1, because it do the automatic so you should give only the command. We don't give the whole things. So if I give it that one, it said name s is not defined. We didn't go to shell. No, it get a shell but doesn't work. So this let's try it again. Not defined. I get shell but is dead. So this one doesn't work. Let's say this one, Python. Let's take only the command. Hold on a minute, why didn't command? Because of sh. Let's try binary bash. Before we dismiss this not working, let's make sure it's we try the bash one. That s not defined. This it has a problem with the letter s. Okay, let's put this back. Let's try that one. The sh should work fine, so let's take that one. No, I just paste it here. It should work, no? We go to shell, so we have an ID, we have that. So pwd, where we are in, oh, we are inside the root. Okay, clear. Not set. Okay. What I'm doing now? Okay, so the user shell. So if you go cd home ls cd think, can't see this ls minus la. We are not, because who am I? I'm a w data. If you follow the logic of this room, he said you we got the shell. Then uncover well-known folder. Where is a known folder? CD, the classic, your old the opt folder. That's always CD dev. Then of course we got front the git folder, cd.get ls. The first thing you can notice is the config file ls minus l. So the ls minus la. Then what's inside that config? Cat config, and we get the password. Okay, let's get the proper shell here. Let's get because if it's an SSH, so we can just SSH. Zoom in. What's my IP? At sh think at. If it's that IP, let's get it straight through SSH, so we get proper shell to work with. Okay, yes. Let's see if that password is correctly. Okay, we are now proper shell. ID, there is no group, fancy group or something. Environment. Let's try SD-L, the classic. Okay, so where am I? So you can head minus C7 user. So you got the user flag is there. So now you can play with things like the classic, like find user, for example, for privilege escalation, for example, the permission minus u, the sticky flag, for example. If we can have div null, what's going on here? Why is taking time? Yeah, so we know you can do the shell, as I said, from the code that you have here. You already know what to get. So, like for example, we got this shell. You can get it straight from. Let's not do telnet. Telnet, it seems a bit old. So we can just say shell, and I'm inside the system. Okay, this one nothing special about them, so we don't have any. See the environment variable, nothing there. It's clearly the answer. It's somewhere in the opt dev folder. This one, the git file. So the git should have. Of course, you can go with the cron tab minus e. Go with the nano, fine. What we have now, we don't. There is no. Control X. No. Also, we can say var spol cron. Permission denied. Okay, what else we can have in the spol folder? Have a postfix. What's inside the postfix? You have a long time I didn't check it. No, that's not interesting. It's a mail server, so you should have, but let's try. We have root, we can't access. Let's see which one we can access. We can read think. Cut home think. Hello Josie, I want to tell you, otherwise we can just use the mail command. No mail for think. Permission denied. Really? Can't open mailbox, mail permission denied, but I'm open to read it here. Why So cat command can open it, but new mail for think. But we got this message ID. Hello Josie, I want to tell you that I have installed a rat. You posted on your GitHub page. I will test it tonight, so don't scared if you see it running regarded. I saw something about root. Let's see if what else we have. Root w data. Okay. I'm very surprised why this tell me can't open mailbox, but I can cut it. Why tell me you can't? Okay, in any case, as I said, the whole thing should be in this the git folder. Because we are in a git, let's activate our what they call it. I don't know how they call it. Checkout. When you check out, you get a delete file from the, and then mine's L. No, I'm getting confused. No, not like that. Checkout, and you said put point. I forgot a dot. Updated one path from the index. Then we get that deleted file, so we can cut that Pyrat old. And then we get these things. It's basically these things that it's part of this script. Just show you part of it only. This script's out there, so just make sure you write the full command. I did a mistake when I did checkout, git checkout. You can get the same things with git, like git status. I'm in a master branch, and then you can say branch. If you get confused, minus a, we are in master. You can also go to log, and you can say also git checkout. We already did checkout point. We got the file, so we get the same things if we want to do this. He said added shell endpoint is not git command. What I did? You are in detached state. You can look around, make experimental change, and commit them, and you can discard any commit. What the hell is happening here? Edge shell point tiny Pyrat. So we give us the name of the Pyrat git. I forgot the command there. Who is it? Git log. I forgot, guys, the endpoint. Okay, I forgot. But in any case, we got forgot. Sorry, guys, to confuse you, but I got the file I'm looking for is this one. So it tell me, because it's an old. Remember what he said here? He said exploring posted the before and the author uncover well-known folder that provide access to credential. We got the credential. A subsequent exploiting sheet variable inside in the application older version. and this is the file because it's an old file. So some endpoint, and then we have shell. Remember, we got the shell already, but there is another endpoint we're looking for. Of course the answer will be this, because we know the endpoint of this script is admin, so it's not like so we need to run a Python script to connect to this and check the endpoint. So basically where we are now, let's do the endpoint here. So basically we're trying to make a Python script to connect to this import 8000 and try different endpoint. Let's destin, login, until find my API until you find the correct one. The script to do that, I got Python. I'm not that enough good for it now. I got ChatGPT to help me with it. So this is the common. I'm just making the common keyword. You can use smaller one, and of course it check for this one. Check for all the error message, and let's try it. So if we have Python 3.9 endpoint, and it tell me the endpoint as admin. So if you come here and if I say admin, start fresh to begin, so we cancel connect again. If I say admin, it asks for password. So we need another script to find the password. The script, I got it from Claudia AI. Where is that one? This is the script that do the passwords. So this one, if I do 3.9 minus h, oh, well, now what I'm doing now, Python 3.9 find password minus h. So we have that. So we can just minus u. I give the IP of the system, which is this one. I give minus the port is 8000. The password we use the usual word list row q, and list it. Not u, w. Let's wait for it for a bit. Now welcome admin, type shell to begin. The password is abc123. So if I go back here, I should say abc123, and then welcome, press shell, id root, I am root, pw is there, cd root. No, I'm inside the root, and of course mine c7 root.txt, and we get that one. Or you can directly from the script. When script is doing this, you can just say to him shell URID, pw is there. You just press twice to see it. ls minus la, press twice. We got a root, so we can just say head minus c7 root.txt, open twice because to react. So from the Python script you can get straight the interaction. So now we got that. So basically this room you can if for my intention, when you see Pyrat you think of something. If you Google it, you come straight to this one and you get your endpoint directly here, so you don't get confused, because you have admin shell, so you already know. So if you know, you don't need to write Python scripts to do things for you. So basically, yeah, it's a very quick room. Even endpoint is admin, so you can guess what it is. Yeah, thank you very much, guys, and have a good day.